Hello guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Bumble's dating app. Right, so it's simple and easy to use. So first of all, you have to launch your Bumble app like this. So you have to set up your accounts. You need to get an account, fill in your details, and check your profile. You need to actually complete your profile. As you can see, mine is not completed because I'm not making use of this. I just wanted to give a tutorial on how to use that. Right, so the first step is you can discover people on this app. Well, you need to turn on your location. So if you want to actually know people within your location, you can just do that. So how do you like and dislike people on this app? So if you're interested in a particular person, you have to swipe to the left, or if you are interested in the person, you have to swipe to the right, just like this. Right, you can see, means you want to connect, say yes. So now how are you going to check people that liked you? Click on liked you here. I'm going to see a lot of people that liked you, and here you can see the chat, and you can also find your person. Yeah, so this is just how to use the app, and you can now check the person's details to be sure if the person and you are going to be a match. Right, so it's very simple and easy. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.